As a project management expert, I understand the critical importance of efficiency and accuracy in any business operation. Time wasted on repetitive tasks and the potential for human error can significantly impact productivity and profitability. This is where automation steps in, acting as a powerful ally in streamlining workflows and freeing up valuable resources. If you're using or considering Zoho Books, you're already on the path to smarter business management. But are you leveraging its full potential when it comes to automation? In this article, we'll demystify automation within Zoho Books, explaining what it is, why it matters, and how you can implement it to revolutionize your financial processes. Think of it as adding a highly efficient virtual assistant dedicated to handling your routine bookkeeping tasks. What exactly is automation in Zoho Books? At its core, automation in Zoho Books refers to the system's ability to perform specific tasks automatically based on predefined rules and triggers. Instead of manually creating invoices, sending reminders, or categorizing transactions, you can configure Zoho Books to handle these actions for you. This isn't about replacing human input entirely. Rather, it's about intelligently automating the predictable and repetitive aspects of your accounting workflow. Imagine a scenario where you regularly invoice the same clients for the same services each month. Without automation, you'd have to manually create each invoice, enter the details, and send it out. With Zoho Books automation, you can set up a recurring invoice profile. The system will then automatically generate and send these invoices on the scheduled dates, without you lifting a finger. Why should you embrace automation in Zoho Books? The benefits of integrating automation into your Zoho Books workflow are numerous and can have a significant positive impact on your business. Significant time savings. This is perhaps the most immediate and tangible benefit. By automating repetitive tasks, you and your team can reclaim valuable time to focus on more strategic activities, such as business development, customer relationship management, or refining your core offerings. Think of the cumulative hours saved by automating invoice generation, payment reminders, and report scheduling. Reduced human error. Manual data entry and repetitive processes are prone to mistakes. Automation eliminates the risk of typos, incorrect calculations, and missed deadlines, leading to more accurate financial records and smoother operations. This accuracy translates directly to better financial insights and fewer costly errors down the line. Improved efficiency and productivity. When routine tasks are handled automatically, your team can operate more efficiently. They can focus their energy and skills on tasks that require human judgment, creativity, and problem-solving, boosting overall productivity. This allows your business to scale and handle increased workload without necessarily increasing headcount. Faster payment cycles. Automating payment reminders and follow-ups can significantly reduce the time it takes to receive payments from customers. Timely reminders ensure that invoices don't get overlooked, improving your cash flow and financial stability. Enhanced consistency. Automation ensures that tasks are performed consistently every time, following the exact rules you've set. This is particularly important for processes like sending out standardized invoices or generating regular financial reports, ensuring uniformity and professionalism. Better data management. Automation can streamline the process of categorizing and organizing financial data. By setting up rules for how transactions are recorded, you can ensure that your financial reports are accurate and easy to analyze, providing valuable insights into your business performance. Scalability. As your business grows, the volume of financial transactions and administrative tasks will inevitably increase. Automation provides a scalable solution, allowing you to handle this increased workload without being bogged down by manual processes. Key areas for automation in Zoho Books. Zoho Books offers a range of automation capabilities that can be applied to various aspects of your accounting. Recurring invoices. As mentioned earlier, this feature allows you to automatically generate and send invoices to clients on a predefined schedule, e.g., monthly, quarterly. You can customize the invoice details, frequency, and delivery method. Payment reminders. Configure Zoho Books to automatically send out payment reminders to customers before, on, or after the due date. You can customize the message and the number of reminders sent. Automatic payment recording. Integrate Zoho Books with your payment gateways to automatically record payments received from customers, eliminating the need for manual entry. Rule-based transaction categorization. Set up rules to automatically categorize bank and credit card transactions based on predefined criteria, saving you time on manual categorization and ensuring accurate financial reporting. Workflow automation. This powerful feature allows you to create custom workflows that automate a sequence of actions based on specific triggers. For example, you could set up a workflow to automatically send a thank you email to a customer when a payment is recorded, or to generate a report when a certain expense threshold is reached. Report scheduling. Schedule your frequently used financial reports, e.g., profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow statement, to be automatically generated and sent to designated recipients on a regular basis.